Okay, now we're going to start working on our last wrap, which will be the top wrap. We really want to do a really nice job on this because it'll be our final, you'll be able to see it. You really got to get underneath this and look at it and check it for wrinkles, just like we can see from the top. Because again, this is the area that everyone's going to see, this bottom side. Okay, I went ahead and this time we're going to still be cutting out 1.5 inches, but I placed the ruler here. Instead of going off of our top tangent point like we did on the top here, we're going to go all the way from the outside edge here, from the root end here, and go ahead and cut all the way out. I've also gone ahead and installed my double sticky tape. You can see here that I've got 2 pieces, one towards the bottom end, one kind of on the center. I'm also going to insert a 3rd piece of double sticky tape, which once I cut this out, I'm going to put right along this edge here, so that it be sure to hold this edge to this fabric here. I don't want to rely on this piece of tape holding my final edge, because of course this is going to come wrap around further. I just like to put a 3rd piece right along this edge all the way down, and that'll just help hold it and keep it looking real nice. Later on, if it does start to come up, you can go ahead and add a little bit of a glue. I like Duco cement. There's many different glues that'll be available to you. We'll get into that a little bit more later on too. But I'll go ahead and finish cutting this out now. Pull my double sticky tape backing off. Go ahead, pull that tight, and again, keep double checking the bottom and be sure that we get as many of these wrinkles out as possible. Small wrinkles like that we'll be able to get out. That's not going to be an issue later on.